Hi everyone. Okay, we are on Unit 5. We're talking about human resources, and in this lesson 5.2, we're talking about recruitment methods, since recruitment is a big part of what HR does. So our objectives for this lesson are to critically analyze and compare job listings and articulate preferences based on provided criteria, and assess and prioritize job candidates based on their alignment with a variety of company-based criteria. This is what recruitment is all about. So let's talk about some recruitment methods. Now, effective recruitment is an ongoing process that requires a clear understanding of the company's needs, strategic planning, and continuous evaluation. And by implementing these strategies, HR professionals can attract, identify, and retain the best talent for their organization. Firstly, you need to understand the position and the company needs. So you've got to create a detailed job requirements that clearly define the skills, experience, and the qualifications necessary for the roles. You also need to figure out how they're going to align with company culture, because you want to ensure that your candidate fits within the company's values and work environment. When you've got to develop a strong employee brand. You want to promote the company's values. So you want to share your organization's mission, culture, and success stories on various platforms. And you want to engage employees as ambassadors, because you want to encourage employees to share their positive experiences and participate in recruitment. Now, you can utilize multiple recruitment channels, such as online job boards, where you post listing on platforms like LinkedIn, Indeed, and specialized industry sites. There's also, of course, social media networks like LinkedIn, Facebook, and X, formerly known as Twitter, for a broader reach. You can also use employee referrals. If you implement a referral program to tap into the employees' networks, you can find those candidates. You need to write effective job descriptions. You need to be clear and concise, use simple language, and clearly state the job responsibilities and the requirements. Highlight the benefits. Mention unique company benefits that distinguish you from competitors. And use inclusive language. You want to avoid jargon and biased terms to attract a diverse candidate pool. Streamline the application process. If you simplify the application, you ensure that the application process is straightforward and accessible from various devices, whether that be a desktop, a laptop, a tablet, a mobile phone, whatever. Communicate the timelines. You want to keep candidates informed about the process and the expected timelines. You can implement structured interviews. Prepare your questions. Develop a consistent set of questions that align with the job's requirements. That way you keep it consistent across all people that you're interviewing, because you're asking them the same questions. And training. You want to train your interviewers on effective interviewing techniques and watch for unconscious bias. Finally, you can leverage the data and the feedback. You can track metrics. You can analyze recruitment metrics such as time to hire and source effectiveness. We're going to talk about track these metrics in another lesson. But you can also talk to the candidates and gather their feedback to improve the recruitment process. So that was our lesson 5.2 on recruitment methods in our Unit 5 of Human Resources. Our objectives for this lesson were to critically analyze and compare job listings to articulate preferences based on provided criteria, and assess and prioritize job candidates based on their alignment with a variety of company-based criteria.